Namaste. I hope everybody is staying at home in this lockdown period because staying home is very necessary to break down this chain of spreading of coronavirus. Okay, so majority of them spend time in doing, of course, household work, and also we have lots of time, so we keep on watching TVs, we are on mobiles, and for that we sit for a long time. Especially elderly people may have complaints of knee pain and low back ache. So today I will tell you few yoga based exercises which will help you for your knee pain and your low back ache. Okay, so this yoga based exercises are very easy to do. Anybody can do it. It's very simple to do. So let's start first with Tadasana. So Tadasana, how we have to do it? Simple to do. You have to stand with your feet shoulder distance apart. It's good if you keep your toes in and heels out, or feet should be parallel, because these things help in maintaining your weight transmission. Okay, because your knees are they are the joints which are also known as weight bearing joints. They bear the weight of your whole body. Especially the obese patients or obese people, we advise them to lose weight because this helps in reducing your knee pain. Okay, so let's start. Keep your feet shoulder distance apart from each other, preferably toes in, heels out position, that is A position. Don't stand with your feet outward, parallel or toes in and heels out position. Spread your toes, it will help in forming your feet. Now keep your legs straight enough. Don't bend them, don't let them bend in your knees. Lock your knees. Tuck your tummy. Lift your rib cage. Hands at the shoulder level. Now inhale and take your hands up, up, up. Your palms should face each other. Try to lengthen your spine. Stretch your body from your low back, up, up, up. Normal breathing, maintain your position for 10 counts. If you are comfortable, you can close your eyes and concentrate in your body. This asana especially is for your total body awareness. Okay, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release. Breathe out and take your hands down. Relax. Especially, one more thing I have to add is take care, because when I tell you to tuck in your tummy, it's because many of them stand with their abdominal muscles loose, it pops up, and ultimately it starts increasing your lumbar curvature. So it's good to tuck in your tummy. This will help in maintaining the lumbar spine curvature. Also, this asana helps in discal distraction. Discal distraction means many times people complain of low back ache. They have some disc problem, herniated disc. It's because of compressive load on this disc, the disc which is present in between between two adjacent vertebrae. So many times it gets herniated due to that compressive load. So what we do here is, when I'm telling you to stretch your back muscles, when you take your hands up, it will help in this distal distraction, and it will reduce the pressure on the disc, and of course it will help you to alleviate your low back ache and of course your knee pain, because here our weight transmission is equal on both the knees. Okay, now let's see the further exercises. First we have seen Tadasana. For Tadasana, you can do it for 10 counts for 3 times, or gradually you can increase the counts. Now we'll see the next exercise. It is heel stretch. For that you need a wooden block. Okay, this is to support, especially the elderly people should take care while doing this exercise. They have to have some support in front of them. So for that, now what do you have to do? This heel stretch, you have to keep your left leg or left feet rather near the wooden block. Then the right feet, we have to keep the toes on the wooden block. You have to see that both the heels are in one line. Now keep your legs straight. They should not bend in the knees. Now stand straight. Again, take care of your lumbar spine, tucking your tummy. Maintain the curvature of your lumbar spine, shoulders. Now I'm doing here with the wall support. Okay. Then you will feel good stretch in your calf muscles, especially in your right leg. Calf muscles, you will feel a nice stretch. Hold with some support. You have to stand straight. Comfort and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release. Keep your right foot down near the wooden block. Now do this with the other leg. Keep the toes of your left leg on the wooden block. Your heels should touch the ground. You will feel a nice stretch in your calf muscles. Keep your legs straight. Don't let it bend down. Bend in your knees, because many times due to the stretching, people tend to bend their knees. So don't do that. This is a stretching exercise for especially for your calf muscles. So maintain this position. Again, your tummy, take care of your lumbar spine. Stand straight. Of course, you elderly people, again and again I am telling you, maybe you will need some support. So take care while doing this exercise and hold it for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Keep your leg down. Now you have to do this with both the feet. Okay? Again, with the support. You have to stand with your support. Take care of your posture. Keep the toes of your right leg on the wooden block, heel touching the floor. Now take care and keep the toes of your left leg and heels should touch the floor. Keep your legs straight. Both the legs should be straight. Feel the good stretch in your both calf muscles. Again, maintain your posture. Straight. Take care of your lumbar spine. With the wall support I am doing here, hold it for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Keep your legs down. In the beginning, maybe many of them will be feeling you will not be comfortable doing it with both the legs, but I would suggest you please continue. Try to do with both the legs too, because it's stretching. The pain you are getting is due to the stretching of the muscles, especially the calf muscles. So keep continuing doing this exercise. It will surely help you all in relieving the pain in your knees, because it stretches especially the calf muscles and it crosses your knee at the back. Okay. Now we'll see the further exercises. We will do Gomukhasana legs. This asana is especially helpful for the people who have sciatic pain. Here I am lying down on my mat. So one who has difficulty in sitting down can do it on their bed. You can lie down on your bed and do this asana. So first for Gomukhasana legs, lie down on your back. your position. Now bend your legs in your knees. We'll first do with the right leg. Hold your right ankle with your left leg. Fix it on your left thigh. Keep the position of your left leg properly. Now with your right palm, gently you have to press your right knee towards the chest. Here you get the nice stretch in your glutes especially. Again, normal breathing and count for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release. Keep your right leg down. Now you have to do it with your left leg. Hold your left ankle with your right hand and gently press your left knee with your left arm. Normal breathing and do it for 10 counts. And then slowly release. Keep your legs straight. Now while getting up, don't get up directly. Turn on one side. And with the support of your hand, get up and sit. Okay? It was Gomukhasana with legs, which relieves sciatic pain with the stretch in your glutes, that is the buttock muscles. Now we will do Padangusthasana with rope. This is the rope which I will use for doing this asana. And of course you can use any strap if you have, or this rope if you have, or if you don't have the strap or the rope, you can even do with a simple dupatta. If you have that dupatta, you can do it with that also. For this Padangusthasana with rope, again you have to lie down on your back. The same thing I would like to repeat, that one who is uncomfortable, or if they are not allowed to sit on the ground, it would be easy for them to do lie down on your bed, and you can do that. So lie down on your back. Just you have to do this Padangusthasana with rope with the support of your wall. You have to rest your heels, legs on the wall. So you have to be lie down near the wall especially. So let's start. First, bend your legs in your knees. You have to keep the position of your right leg in this way, resting the heel on the wall. Now, okay, I'm using the rope, so I'm telling about the rope, how to use it. You have to get this knot on your arch, then wind it. Rest your heel, right heel on the wall. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Take care of your posture always while doing any exercise, and breathing should be very normal in any asana. Maybe it is heel stretch or Tadasana, Gomukhasana, or any asana you are doing. If you don't have any knowledge about breathing, exhaling, when you have to do exhaling and when you have to inhaling, better you keep on breathing normal. So what you need to do is hold this ends. You can do this with dupatta, simple dupatta. If you have strap, you can do it with that. Now slowly bring your leg towards yourself. Maintain this angle, 90 degrees angle at the hip. Relax your shoulders. Your legs should be straight. You should feel the stretch in your hamstrings and calves especially. Toes towards you. Try to gently pull your lateral arch. Maintain this position for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly release. Rest your heel on the wall. Now you can repeat this cycle for 3 times with both the legs. Now I will show it with the left leg. Remove the rope. Now put the knot, this rope, on the arch. Fix it nicely. Keep the left heel on the wall. Hold both the ends here with your hands, and now gently bring the left leg towards you. Maintain again the angle, that is the 90 degrees angle at your hip. Toes towards you. You should feel the nice stretch in your hamstrings and calves especially. Toes should be towards you, and try to gently pull the lateral arch, that is this side of your feet. Maintain the position for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Again, this exercise you can do it for 10 counts 3 times, or gradually you can increase the counts. This exercise is very good stretching exercise, especially in knee pain. Of course, it helps in low back ache too. So it's helpful in knee pain and low back ache too. As previously I have mentioned that you have to turn on one side, and with the support of your hand you have to get up and sit. I hope you will practice it on the daily basis, and surely this exercises, if you keep on doing, it will surely help in your lumbar pain and knee pain, and it may avoid surgery in some people. So please keep doing these things. And again, I would request you, please stay at home and take care of your health and others' health too.